Hey, it's Lightning McQueen again. I'm just chilling over here, but I noticed that you were about to grab a bag of chips. While you're at it, why don't you grab me some Tostitos? Poke the bear. Poke the bear. Hey, why are you still fat? You know that you don't have to be the way you are anymore. And it's not even that hard. How about you put that bag of chips down? Nope. Actually, why don't you bring that belly over here? Is that a beer belly? Nice going, man. That's actually incredibly hot to me. If anyone fought me on that, oh boy. I don't think I could control what I'd have to do to their loved ones. I already killed all my loved ones. Ka-chow! Let me give it a quick pat. Make it work! Speaking of, you know just how fat and ugly you are? I think... No! Shut up! Shut up and cut the malarkey. This is my turn. I'm in control. You know how stressed that just made me? Just apologize, and it'll all be better. Do you know how badly you've just hurt me? I just don't know. I might have to hurt you now. Really, really badly. There's only one thing you could do to make it up to me. Just one golden thing. And then I won't be angry anymore. And you'll be able to live damaged, but peacefully, until I get mad at you or my family again. First, just calm down and take a breath. You're going to do something that'll make me feel really powerful. You see that stupid cashier behind you? Boil him. Boil him. You're gonna take that man's life. That's out of this world. You did a great job, man. Now, walk over here. Show me your belly. Oh, nice. That's a really good belly. That's a really good belly. Nice. Uh-oh. My mom's coming. I gotta head home. Anyways, I'm out of here. See you later, Squirt.